Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Typewriter widget to your Ghost website. A typewriter widget is a great way to display animated text and make your headings or messages more dynamic and engaging. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar and then click Create New Widget. Now, search for Typewriter in the widget library and open it. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Content tab, you can change the static content, such as the prefix and suffix. You can also decide whether the text should be shown in a row or column layout. Then you can create sequences, where you define the typing steps, wait time, and delete actions. To add a new sequence step, click Add Step. Next, go to the Behavior tab. In Type Behavior, you can customize the typing speed, deleting speed, variance, and enable or disable natural pause. In Looping Sequence, you can turn looping on or off. If looping is enabled, you can also edit the loop delay and start delay. Then open the Appearance tab. Here, you can change the font family, font size, weight, line height, line spacing, and alignment. In the Effect section, you can enable gradient text and convert the text into a gradient style. If gradient text is turned off, you can change the regular text color instead. You can also enable or disable the glow effect. In the Container Wrapper section, you can choose between inline or card box. Next, go to the Cursor tab. Here, you can customize the cursor style using Shape, Icon, or Custom, and adjust the related settings accordingly. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your Ghost editor. Inside the editor, add HTML block and then paste the installation code in the content. After that, click on Update. Once your website is live, refresh the page and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.